Hey, MTS crew, what's going on, y'all? Hope it's all good in the neighborhood. Y'all, let me tell y'all what I got going on now. I'm getting ready to make some wet lemon pepper chicken wings, y'all. I love lemon pepper chicken wings. The store where I used to buy my chicken wings, they are so far away now. Now I just decided to look, let me go ahead and start making my own lemon pepper chicken wings. And this is what I'm doing. And these are the seasonings that I'm going to use. I'm going to use lemon pepper, paprika. I'm going to use garlic powder, a little garlic salt, and some Mrs. Dash. I'm trying not to use so much salt. And I'm going to get these wings mixed up. I'm going to massage the seasoning in. But what I do, y'all, I go ahead and whatever season I put on my lemon pepper chicken wings, I go ahead and add that to the flour mixture. Now, I'm not going to double dip these wings in this flour. I'm going to lightly dust them because I don't want a whole lot of clumpy, flour on them. So you don't have to use any flour at all. You can just go ahead and just season them and go ahead and put them in the air fryer. Y'all, I'm going to air fry these chicken wings. I love to air fry my chicken wings. Let me tell you, whoever invented the air fryer, God bless them, honey, because I use my air fryer for everything. I can bake cakes in the air fryer. I mean, you can do so many different things with your air fryer. They're just not for making chicken wings and stuff like that. I mean, you can really bake in that. So here are my two racks that I'm using. I have two racks for my air fryer, and I have a paper towel under the rack to keep that flour from going everywhere. And see, I'm lightly dusting them. So I have them in. All the wings fit inside of this air fryer. So I have it at 400 degrees for about 12 minutes. Okay, so now I'm making my lemon pepper sauce, y'all. This is my recipe for my lemon pepper sauce. I've tried different recipes to do different recipes, but this one right here is delicious. And I will put the recipe for this sauce down below so you can try it. And then when you try it, let me know. So I have 1 stick of melted butter. I have 3 fresh lemons, and what I did with the lemons, I got the zest off of the peeling and I added that in there too. So that's 3 lemons plus the lemon zest. That zest really help your lemon sauce to taste really good. And I'm also using hot sauce. I don't like to use a whole lot of hot sauce, but I do kind of like that little hot taste, but not too much. So I put a little bit of a hot sauce. I'm gonna say about 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, and that was enough for me. I know some people out there like those hot wings, so you can add more hot sauce to this if you want. This is just me. I just don't want a whole lot. So the wings are out of the air fryer, y'all. They look good. They are real nice and juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside, golden brown, y'all. I'm telling you, you can't beat that air fryer. You know that you can't beat it. So I'm going to go ahead and just add these wings to a bowl. And you also can, if you have a container with a top on it, and you can just pour your sauce in there and just shake your wings up. And most of the time, this is what I do. But this time, I'm just going ahead and I'm just going to pour my sauce over these wings. Now I'm going to tell you something else what you can do when you're making your sauce. Put a half teaspoon of cornstarch. Make a half teaspoon of cornstarch slurry and just put that in your sauce also. It kind of helps the sauce really adhere to the wings, so it make them kind of stick to the wings real good, the sauce. So it is delicious, y'all. It's delicious. So let's go ahead and get these wings all plated up. Okay, there we go, y'all. These are my wet lemon pepper wings with just a little heat to them, not that much. Y'all, these wings are good. I put the recipe down below for you all to try this recipe. out. And like I say, this is my recipe. I thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. And if you watch to the end, thank you, thank you, thank you. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please share this video out and let me know if you try my recipe for my wet lemon pepper chicken wings. God bless and bon appetit. Enjoy, y'all.